Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll walk you through step by step on how to create a profile backlink on Skillshare.com. So let's get started. First head over to Skillshare.com. Now click on sign up in the top right corner. Now you can sign up with Facebook, Google or Apple, or you can also sign up with email. I'll continue with Google. Now select your Gmail. Click continue. Now click on your profile icon. Click view profile. Now click edit profile. Now here you can add your image and here you can add your website address. Let's copy the address and paste here. Now click save and exit. Your profile backlink is now ready. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.